So we're at the historic candy factory shops out here. We are in unit 307, and this is spectacular. You are gonna love this. So it's a loft here. You can go up this way. You got a bathroom, you got a closet there that's got a washer dryer hookup, or actually a stackable washer and dryer in there. You do have some built-ins here, just a big open loft area into the kitchen, and this is just absolutely spectacular. So you can look out the window and you can actually see Ayers Hall over at the UT campus up on the hill. So you're, super close to the football game, super close to UT. You're overlooking on the back side of the building, overlooks the World's Fair Park. So this is a studio, so this would be the bedroom in here. And you have more built-ins on this side. And then you can look out, look at that view. You do have a nice little balcony out here. So I took a look outside. It is Trex low maintenance. So you can see everything around you. There's the World's Fair Park site going down there to the lawn. This is just incredible location right here. As we go through, we'll step up to where the bathroom is. And you can see a nice mirror, sink here with a shower tub combo, but it's a big soaker tub here. So really enjoy that. It has more shelving in here. So as you can see, take a peek back outside. And like I mentioned, in a closet here, we do have a stackable washer and dryer that will stay for your use. So you're all set with that. Again, this is over here in the historic candy factory building. Incredible loft here. This is just waiting for you to come check it out. These will be in-person showings, so we can get you in with the key fob. And we're looking forward. Go to KeyrenterKnoxville.com, schedule your viewing today.